guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how do you use Instagram. So if you guys are new to Instagram and want to know how to use it, I'm going to show you some basics. So these are the Instagram homepage, and then to see what other people post, you can just scroll down and then the post will be appear right here. And if you want to like a post, you can just click on the love icon, this one right here. And if you want to leave a comment, just click on this and you can just start the comment. For example, click on post and the comment will be post in the photo like this. Okay, and then if you want to see what other people are doing in their story, you can just see this little circle right here. You can just click on the circle to see what other people are doing. For example, this one right here. And you can also leave some like that. And then when you want to search for people Instagram account, you can just click on the search column right here and then start typing their name, and it will be appear in this list. And then if you want to post a photo, you can just click on the plus icon right here and you can choose whether you want to post a photo for your feed or story, or you can also apply some effect. And then you can also post for your reels, or you can also do some live streaming in your Instagram. Okay, so I think that's the basic on how you can use Instagram. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.